A growing debate around workplace surveillance and artificial intelligence has intensified after a major technology company reportedly softened its stance on using mouse tracking software designed to monitor worker activity and collect behavioral data for AI training. The move followed significant resistance from employees and contractors who raised concerns about privacy, consent, and workplace rights. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The controversy centered on software that continuously tracked worker interactions, generating data that could potentially be used to improve AI systems. Critics argued that such monitoring crossed ethical boundaries by collecting detailed behavioral information without sufficient transparency or meaningful consent. Employees also expressed concerns about the broader implications of constant digital surveillance on workplace culture and trust. The backlash quickly evolved into a coordinated organizing effort. Thousands of workers reportedly voiced objections, while more than 1,500 individuals supported demands for stronger protections around data collection and AI related workplace practices. The campaign demonstrated that employees are increasingly willing to challenge decisions involving emerging technologies when they believe personal rights are at stake. Beyond privacy concerns, workers highlighted the hidden costs of large scale AI development. Increased internet usage, rising infrastructure demands, energy consumption, and concerns over automation driven job losses became part of a larger conversation about who ultimately bears the cost of AI innovation. The episode reflects a broader shift occurring across the technology sector. As organizations accelerate AI adoption, questions around transparency, worker consent, surveillance, and governance are becoming central issues. The incident underscores the growing influence of employee activism and signals that future AI policies may increasingly be shaped not only by executives and regulators, but also by the workforce itself. Let's look into today's headlines. Meta testing new series feature for episodic reels on Instagram and Facebook. Meta is testing a new feature called Series for Reels on Instagram and Facebook. This is seen as a move that could make episodic content easier to discover and follow on its platform. The feature is currently being tested with a select group of creators and content producers who already post serialized videos. The new tool would allow creators to organize both old and new reels into a structured series, with each video functioning as an episode within a larger narrative. Microsoft introduces Majorana 2, says it will have quantum machines by 2029. Microsoft unveiled a new quantum computing chip, Majorana 2, that is redesigned with the help of AI, indicating that the tech giant now believes it will have commercially useful quantum machines by 2029. The new target date puts Microsoft on track to have quantum computers the same year as rival IBM, which last year said it plans to spend $10 billion on quantum machines. It also spun out a company to make quantum chips for others, with backed from President Donald Trump's administration. Apple reportedly agrees to submit India business financials to CCI in antitrust case. Apple has reportedly agreed to submit the financial details of its India business to the Competition Commission of India, that is CCI. This new direction would accelerate a long-running antitrust case against the iPhone maker and pave the way for a potential penalty decision. A confidential CCI order reportedly showed that Apple last month agreed to provide its India-specific financial information. The development marks a significant step in one of Apple's biggest regulatory challenges in India. The case stems from a CCI investigation that concluded in 2024. Donald Trump's new executive order directs AI firms to provide early access to AI models. US President Donald Trump has asked the leading AI firms and developers, including Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, and others, to voluntarily provide early access to powerful AI models. This will allow the government to conduct necessary cybersecurity tests before releasing it to the public. Trump signed an executive order that instructed the Departments of Treasury, Defense, Commerce, and Homeland Security and other agencies to secure cooperative agreements with AI developers for safety evaluations and cybersecurity testing of the AI model. The European Union Parliament to switch to French search engine from Google. The European Parliament will switch to French search engine Qvant from Google, underscoring Europe's push to reduce its reliance on US technology in favor of local alternatives. The European Commission will later announce measures on chips, cloud computing services, and AI as part of its Buy and Use European drive. The change will be applied automatically, though users will still be able to select alternative search engines. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.